How much should you actually spend on pizza sauce? It's kind of interesting because people are happy buying the cheap ones but then return the expensive ones. But today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best store-bought pizza sauces so you can make an informed choice. Product number 1, Whole Foods Organic Pizza Sauce. First up is the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Pizza Sauce, priced at $2.49. What caught my eye was its 4.6-star rating from over 8,200 reviews, which is pretty impressive. If you want a tasty pizza sauce without added sugar, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it's thick and rich, giving your pizza that authentic taste without any weird aftertaste. With over 10,000 units bought just last month, it's clear that people trust it. This sauce not only satisfies your pizza cravings, but also aligns with a healthier lifestyle. Now, some people complained about the consistency being a bit too thick. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a hearty sauce that clings to your toppings, this is not a deal breaker. But if you like a lighter sauce, maybe consider that. This is perfect for you if you're health conscious or want a classic pizza flavor without the guilt. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional sauces that are runnier. For the price, it's a solid value, especially for organic. Now, if that thicker consistency isn't your thing, the next one could be right up your alley. Product number 2, Prego Pizzeria Style Sauce. Next on the list is Prego Pizzeria Style Pizza Sauce, which retails for $3.49. This one caught my attention with its 4.7-star rating from about 2,100 reviews, indicating a strong following. If you're looking for a thick, smooth sauce that appeals to the whole family, this is definitely worth checking out. It's also vegan and gluten-free, making it a versatile choice for various dietary preferences. With options like this, you can whip up easy and delicious recipes without breaking a sweat. Here's why this matters for you. A good pizza sauce should enhance your pizza, and this one does just that with quality ingredients. Some reviews mention that it can be a bit salty for their taste. But look, if you enjoy bold flavors, that might just be a bonus for you. If you're sensitive to salt though, this could be a potential drawback. This sauce is perfect for busy families looking to create quick, enjoyable meals. Skip it if you're after something less salty or prefer a more natural tomato flavor. Given the thicker texture and quality, it's a decent buy for family dinners. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Amazon Savor Traditional Sauce. Coming in at just $1.09 is the Amazon Savor Traditional Pizza Sauce. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 4,600 reviews, this one surprised me with its value. If you're looking for an affordable staple without the frills, this is worth a look. The 15-ounce can pack a punch for the price, making it an excellent choice for those who want to save money without sacrificing quality. This sauce is straightforward and gets the job done, allowing you to focus more on your toppings. The budget-friendly tag means you can have pizza night more often without worrying about the costs. Here's why this matters for you. A no-fuss pizza sauce can make your life easier, especially during busy weeknights. Now, some buyers reported that it might not have the same depth of flavor as pricier sauces. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a solid option that works well for casual pizza nights. If you're looking for gourmet, this might not be your first pick. This one is perfect for anyone on a tight budget who still wants to enjoy homemade pizza. Skip this if you're after a more gourmet flavor experience. Honestly, it's hard to beat the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a touch of gourmet flair, the next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, Amazon Grocery Pizza Sauce. Next up is the Amazon Grocery Pizza Sauce, priced at $1.22. This one boasts a 4.6-star rating from nearly 400 reviews. If you want a gluten-free option without breaking the bank, this is definitely something to consider. This sauce comes in a convenient 14-ounce jar and is designed for those who want great taste without worrying about dietary restrictions. With its accessibility at Amazon, it makes grocery shopping easier, especially for busy folks. Here's why this matters. A reliable pizza sauce can elevate your homemade meals without the fuss of searching through various brands. Some users did mention that the flavor could be a bit bland compared to other options. But look, if you're someone who likes to customize your sauces with extra herbs or spices, this could work perfectly for you. If you prefer a sauce that's bursting with flavor right out of the jar, maybe look elsewhere. This is perfect for anyone who needs a gluten-free pizza sauce that won't break the bank. Skip this if you want a sauce that's more robust in flavor. Given its price, it's definitely a smart choice. Now, if you're willing to spend a bit more for restaurant quality, let's talk about our final contender. Product number 5, Rao's Homemade Classic Sauce. Last but not least, we have Rao's Homemade Classic Pizza Sauce, priced at $4.98. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 205 reviews, this one stands out for its premium quality. If you're looking for that authentic Italian taste, you should definitely consider this sauce. Rao's is made with Italian whole-peeled tomatoes and natural herbs, slow-simmered for rich flavor. The lack of added sugar and artificial ingredients makes it a favorite among cooking enthusiasts. Here's why this matters. Using high-quality ingredients enhances the flavor of your pizza, giving it that restaurant-quality taste right at home. Now, some people find it a bit pricey compared to other options. But honestly, if you're serious about your pizza, investing in quality sauce pays off. If you're on a tight budget, this might not be your go-to. This sauce is perfect for passionate home cooks who want to elevate their pizza game. Skip it if you're looking for something cheaper or less rich in flavor. For the quality, it's worth every penny. So there you have it. 365 organic for health-conscious folks, Prego for family-friendly meals, Amazon Savor for budget eaters, Amazon Grocery for gluten-free needs, and Rao's for a premium experience. Each sauce has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that suits your pizza night best.